Hi friends, my name is Rohit and here I'm gonna give you a brief idea and just give you a short unboxing of the new Lenovo S540 and I'll just show you around the laptop and just the accessories that I got, and I bought it around the Amazon's Big Billion Day sales, which started at around 29 September and it's continuing up to the 4th of October. So here is what I think it's a better deal for me. So I'll show you around the new Lenovo S540 and what are things that I got along with the laptop. So here is the laptop itself, and it's a full metal body, and I can say actually the outer body itself, it's a full metal, and it's just like a fingerprint magnet. And with that I got the Lenovo IdeaPad setup guide and all the other paperworks with which it shows the warranty card and other bill statements, invoice and everything. So actually I'm gonna keep it aside. So this is a laptop, it's a full metal body. So we'll just go for the specifications and the price. Okay, it's clear right now. So it's a Lenovo S540 and the screen size is around 39.62, it's 15.6 inch, and the MRP that's shown here is about 90,000, it's 90k, 890 something, almost 91k, and it's a made in India made in China product, and I bought it around it's almost 55k, and the actual price is 90k, and in Amazon it was around 61 something, 61k something, and for the sale that I got it around 55k. So you can show you the other specifications. The color it's shown as mineral gray, and its model name is 81NE, that IdeaPad S540. Then the battery is a 3-cell battery and 15.6 inch, and directly coming to specification, it's an 8GB version, and it's a 1TB hard disk plus 128GB SSD. So it's a one having the solid state drive, so it can boot up faster. Then it's also provided with a super fast charger, which it's it's a 65 watt charger. So here I'm gonna open the laptop. So I don't think I can open it. Okay, it's getting opened. You can open the laptop with your one hand. So just one sec. So here is how the laptop looks like, and it's a 15.6 inch laptop, and it's Core i5 8th generation with NVIDIA inbuilt graphics. It's a 2GB graphic card, it's Dolby audio speaker system is there, and it's written IdeaPad S540 with the, you need to especially it requires a special mention because actually it's a full HD panel with IPS display, and it's a metal body and extreme TLN design, exquisite all metal body, then beyond expected performance. These are all the stuff that is written on the laptop, and we are gonna switch on the laptop. So it's a full HD display, so it's getting booting up. So just hold on for a second. So I'm gonna just log in. So here is the one, actually it's a full HD display, and it is provided with the student version, that is a lifetime student version of this Microsoft Office Essentials. Then Wi-Fi is there, Bluetooth facility is there. Then what else? So we have the SSD here and 1TB hard disk, and it boots up so fast. And actually I think it's a pretty good buy, especially during the Amazon's Big Billion Day sales, and one more day is left behind for you, and I think it's a better purchase for me because I have been waiting for this laptop like actually for getting the prices to get down a little bit. Actually I thought like actually it's a good buy for about 58k or something. So but actually I'm lucky enough to get it for around 55k, so it's a best buy actually. I think like actually when we compare like actually the laptop which comes under 60k, so it's a must buy for you. So if you are interested in like getting actually it's almost just like an ultrabook, and it's not that much sizes are actually, it's super slim, super thin. And I forgot to mention about the ports. So we have a type C port, an HDMI port, a fast charging port, a 3.5 headphone jack is there. Then we have two USB 3 ports and a micro SD card reader's port. And here is a battery showing indicator, and also there is a mic. And like it's an ultrabook, so it is not having any optical disc drive for putting CDs or something. And it's also provided with the student version of MS Office, then the original OS like Windows 10, and also it is also provided with the McAfee free antivirus. So actually it's pretty much a good deal for the 55k. So you can ask me any doubts in the comments below, so I can share or rest of my experience of using this laptop. And I'm gonna install a few more of the games, and actually I will give you the brief idea about like how the gaming experience will be in this laptop. So if you're having any doubts, you can just comment below, and please like and subscribe my channel, because it's my first video in this channel that actually I'm gonna shoot down. So thank you so much for the support. Thank you.